The AMPBANK 4000A jump starter kit is a powerhouse capable of jump-starting 12-volt vehicle engines with a peak current of 4,000 amperes, making it suitable for large gasoline and diesel engines. Its unique boost function is designed to revive completely drained batteries, providing a reliable solution when faced with a lifeless battery situation. Safety is a top priority with this jump starter, as it features a smart chip design offering 8 layers of protection against sparking, overcharging, and short circuits. This versatile jump starter also includes a USB Type-C port with 18-watt input and output capabilities, allowing you to charge various devices in addition to jump-starting your car. Equipped with a 300-lumen LED light, the jump starter offers multiple lighting modes including steady, strobe, and SOS, making it an invaluable tool for nighttime emergencies. The kit is conveniently stored in a durable EVA carrying case, ensuring easy transport and protection, while its compact design means it takes up minimal space in your vehicle.